And when I nailed down those things, I finally got my first 10K a month. Hello everyone, it's Anri Davids, and in this video get a deeper understanding from all the lessons I learned that got me from 0 to 10K a month. So if you stick to the end of the video, you understand all the things you need to nail down if you want to get your first 10K a month. Have you always been dreaming about quitting your 9-to-5 job, traveling around the world, creating financial freedom with something you're really passionate about, being your own boss and live your life on your terms? Then this channel is for you. So if you've been following me for a while, then you know that I've been going through a lot of failures in my life, a lot of try and error. By the way, if you think, what the heck is this big cheek? And I got my wisdom teeth removed, so that's why my cheek is a bit bigger than usual. But anyway, I've been going through so many try and errors, so many failures in my life. And it took me 3 years to get my first high-paying clients and really create a sustainable business around the things that I love to do, my passions. And in this video, I really want to go deeper into all the lessons I learned from getting my first 10K. And this will really help you also to nail down where you have to focus on in the beginning. Because most of the people I see working on the 80% that don't give them the results instead of the 20% that will bring the results. This is one of the things I'm going to talk about today. Anyway, if you're new on this channel, please like this video already, subscribe, turn the notification bell, and comment which niche you want to help people with or you already helping people with. So I've been helping people for years with sales, communication, whatever it is I had experience with. I love to help people. And I really, on a young age, I realized, okay, this is something that brings me fulfillment. You know, really seeing people grow with my help and really seeing people transform my help. But I didn't make any money with it. I always had other jobs. And in the meantime, in the free time I had, I was helping people. And I really didn't also realize that I could monetize it and kind of make a business from it, because I always thought I'm not enough of an expert, I'm not good enough, people will never pay me. And that's the first point I want to talk about. It's really the mindset. Because you probably have a 9-to-5 job, or you have any kind of job where you do anything in your life to make money. I don't know how, but you probably have some way to make money. And in the meantime, you also understand that you like to help people. People come to you, they ask you questions, and you always want to help them, and it's what you enjoy doing. Only, you probably also think that you're not an expert enough, that you're not good enough, that you are not able to create a business, to help people for real and charge money for that. And that's something I was struggling for a long time with. Helping all those people, but never really understanding I'm an expert, always thinking there are other people, why people will buy from me. And the moment my mindset slowly started to change, when I really saw people growing my help, I really saw people asking me for help more and more and more and more, I couldn't handle this all the time. So to make this a sustainable business, to go do this full time, I realized, okay, I need to charge money for this. And because all those people came to me all the time, I say, okay, you know what? I can't help all those people anymore for free. So my mindset slowly started to change. I saw people literally on Instagram, on social media platforms, people who were less intelligent than me, people who were less knowledgeable about the topic I was helping people with, making money with that. So that's the moment really when I started to have my free workshop, actually my live workshop. And in the end of my workshop, I ask people if they want my help one-on-one. And I charge money for that. And from the workshop, 3 people came to me, and those were actually my 3 first high-paying clients. They paid me $1,000 for my help in sales. And that's literally the best feeling I ever had. Really, that's the moment when I got this confidence. This is the moment when I got this feeling, okay, wow, now I can destroy the world. Now I'm unstoppable because I can charge money for my knowledge, for the thing I'm passionate about. And literally nothing felt better than this. So next to really getting this mindset shift, next to really understanding, okay, I am someone who's capable to charge money for his services, for his knowledge, really this didn't came from just having the feeling, okay, I need to earn money to do this full time, or I need to create a business around that so I can live off from this. It was really the experience. And that's the second thing. That's really the experience and the confidence that came with it. And you don't get this just out of the blue. You need to help people. You know, in the beginning, you can charge people nothing. You can help people for free. And when you see people grow, when you get experience, when you help people, you can even charge them a lower ticket price. But just you need to keep doing this. And while you're doing this, you're getting also more and more knowledge. While you're doing this, you're getting also this confidence that you can help people. And the more confidence you get and the more experience you get, the easier it will be to get those high-paying clients. And it's really important. Before I even charge money, before I get my paying clients, I was always throwing value to everyone. I was sitting with people, talking to them what I really needed. I was making content on my Instagram, on my Facebook about those topics. And more people start to watch it. More people start to engage with that and message me. And when they messaged me while I was helping people get more experience, and my confidence went through the roof. And the moment when my confidence was there, and the moment when I got this experience, when I really truly believed that I could get results from my clients, then I started to pay high ticket prices for it. But this is something that I would have done differently if I knew the things I know right now. Because you don't need to be a crazy expert. You don't need to be the best guru of the world to help people and charge money for that. If you're already a couple steps ahead than the person you try to help, you can get already amazing results for them. You really have to understand at the point you are right now, there are so many people that can benefit from your knowledge. What may sound very simple and normal for you can be completely mind-blowing for someone else. And that's something that you always need to realize. Realize that there are so many people out there who are not on the level where you are right now. If you're already a couple steps ahead, if you have 25% more knowledge than the person you try to help, again, you can get amazing results for them. So to keep realizing this, you have to talk with those people who are completely beginners, right? And the people who have the money, who are beginners, are your ideal clients. You just have to make the connection strong enough that you are the solution to their problem. They're living in the hell right now. They're having these big pain points. And if you make the connection strong enough that you are the solution that brings them from their hell to their heaven, that's the moment when you can charge money for that. And if I had all the knowledge I have right now, I would charge money way earlier. Because if you charge money also, money is energy, right? The more people spend money on your help, on getting a solution for the problem, the more energy they're gonna invest also to solve their problem. And the more energy they invest in this, the better results they get, the better testimonials you have, the better you can use this in your marketing, the more knowledge you're getting, the better you can position yourself, and you can charge even more higher prices, right? And this is a loop where you start charging high prices, high ticket prices. The third thing that really changed me into being a bro coach, into making my first 10K a month, is really focusing on the 20% of the things that bring me results instead of the 80% that didn't bring me the results. And I see so many coaches and so many people doing this, is focusing on the 80% that didn't bring them the results. And I understand it's not your fault. There are so many gurus, so many people screaming to do all those things. Run ads, make webinars, have a site, go do this, go do that, go do this. But you don't need all those things before you make your first 10K. Okay, if you have a solid business, if you make your first 10K, if you make 10K consistently a month, then those things are good to do. It's good to have YouTube videos, good to make more content, good to focus on other things. But in the beginning, that won't bring you the money. And if you are a coach and you don't make any money, you keep in the scarcity mindset and you don't get to the level to really scale your business and to grow your business like further than 10K, right? So the 20% that really is the thing you need to focus in the beginning is really getting clients. You know, you understand your niche, you understand your audience. From this point, you can make content, and then it's just engaging with your audience, chatting with your audience, get them on the phone and close them. Those are the main things you need to do. If you don't do this, then you will never be able to get your first 10K. And I see so many coaches, people who have been building their coaching business for a while, still not doing this. And it's crazy if you ask me. Literally the only and the safest way to get your first clients is to do this organically. So many people try to make funnels and run ads to something while they even don't know exactly what they're selling, don't know their audience. And they just wasting their money and wasting their time. And they quit their job and they go do this full time and they don't make money. They spend all their savings and they go back to their normal 9 to 5. And I see that's happening a lot. And that's so unnecessary. Because the moment when you have the knowledge, the moment when you understand your niche, the problem you're going to help people with, your audience, and you make content with them and you engage with them, the only thing that will change from making you no money, from making you money, is actually get them on the phone and let them become your client. That's the 20% you have to focus on. And you have to max out all the different platforms where your audience is hanging out. In the beginning, it can be a hustle. In the beginning, you can spend hours and hours a day with reaching out. And there are platforms where your audience hang out, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. There's a limit of the reach outs you can do, the limit of how many friend requests you can send out, how many people you can send a message to. And every day you have to max this out. And when you max this out and you understand the process, then seriously, I see people getting the first 30, 40K just pure with organic. And the moment when you max out the platforms your audience is hanging out, that's the moment when to hire people and when to run ads. But before that, if you don't make any money, start to really make content on the platforms where your audience is hanging out, and then engage with them, talk to them, have a small chit chat, create real connections, and then get them on the phone and close them. That's how simple it is, seriously. The other thing, another lesson I learned that really got me from 0 to 10K is like when I got some clients, when I start to first get my sales coaching, I got clients for $1,000, for $1,500, and I was always working one-on-one with them. And I was spending a lot of time doing this. And I don't have a lot of time to do the other things. And I wasn't making that much money to really create a business, create a team, and to scale everything. So the moment when I create a program, right, I got enough people in, I helped them one-on-one. And the moment when I got enough people in, I got my first, 10 people, that's when I put everyone in one group. I start to make videos, a video course, and then I had group coaching calls. So instead of one-on-one, I start to put people in groups and have group coaching calls with them. And people who still want to work one-on-one with me, the price would be way higher. And this group coaching, really, it's actually what helped me from going from 10K to 6 figures. But it's really good to do this pretty soon. When you get your first clients in, when you don't want to spend all your time on one-on-one and helping them all the time, it's really good to create a program so you give all the value in the videos and then have the group coaching to really answer their questions. The other thing I want to share is that consistency is key. Seriously. And this is something that is really, really damn important. Because when you start out as a coach, right? Maybe from one day to another day, you become a coach. You have the title coach. You start to make content. You want to get clients straight away. But you have to understand it takes some time, right? People who just heard from you, who follow you, who are gonna check out your content. Some people need some time to really follow you, to trust you, to become warm and hot leads so they can sell them. And I see so many people literally quitting the moment when they start to have this more engaged audience, but they don't see the money coming in and they quit. After 2-3 months of working, they say, dang, okay, I didn't make any money. This is not gonna work. I'm not worth it. Let's go to my regular 9-to-5 job and let's go back to my normal life because I'm not worth to be a successful coach. But seriously, consistency is key. Maybe it will take a month, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. But if you keep doing this, if you know your audience, you make content, you give value, you reach out daily to people, you will get there. Seriously, if you only already reach out to 10 people a day, let's say 30% response, you get 3 messages a day. And from this 30 people, 10% will buy. So what is that? Maybe it's longer, right? But maybe they will buy now, maybe it will take 2 months, 3 months, but they will buy, right? So if you do 10 messages a day, that's 300 a month. 30% response, that's 100 people. 10% of those 100 people will buy from now in 3 months. That is 10 clients a month. And if you only already charge 2K per client, you're gonna get 20K a month. You're not gonna be Elon Musk building rocket ships to the moon. This is a really step-by-step structured thing you need to do and be consistent. Make the content, engage with your audience, talk with them in direct messages, and get them on a phone and close them. Seriously, those are all skills you need to focus on. And that's really the main lessons I've been learning from going from 0 to 10K. And seriously, all those things, if I knew them earlier, I would have done earlier. I would have been charging money for my coaching way earlier because I get way better results from my clients and I can do this full time. I don't need to also have another side job. The other thing is really the mindset, right? The moment when I start to believe in myself, the moment I knew I worth and I knew that I could help my clients to see people transform, and I knew that I didn't need to be a crazy expert or a guru, and that while I'm helping those people, I get more and more knowledge and get better and better and better over time. But you won't be able to get experience if you're not helping people. And you will never be able to charge money if you're not having the confidence while of helping people. Building a business can be very frustrating, can be very tough sometimes. And I feel you. Sometimes I'm completely off as well. It took me so many days and years of try and error and figuring things out and trying all different kind of methods, listening to this person, listening to that person. But really, keeping it simple. Have a right step-by-step process that gives you the results right now. And then while you get the results, while you're getting better results for your clients, then it's time to get more content, create more value-packed assets, right? Because every content piece you make is an asset that you have for the rest of your life. And remember also, right, we're going to university for 4 years to get a degree and then work for a boss for the rest of our life. And there are so many people that think, okay, I'm going to start this business and I haven't made any money in 3 months. Let's go back. But seriously, think about this, right? People are going 4 years to university to get a degree while they still don't know anything. And there are people who then try to do business and they expect to make millions a month after 3 months. It's a journey. It's a journey you have to go through. It's a journey you have to enjoy. And seriously, if you want to start this business, but you still figure out, okay, hey, I don't know exactly where I can help people. I don't know exactly what my niche is. I made a whole video going deeper into this, exactly sharing a lot of different profitable niche ideas and giving you the first steps, exactly what you need to do right now to start making this business, start to make profit ASAP. So that video is here. Check it out here and I will see you there.